welcome back. In the last video, we started with React Native, we installed Expo, and we made a simple React Native app and we experimented a little bit with the native components, right? And when we tested the app, we ran it in the simulator, the iPhone simulator on the desktop, right? So, and I'm going to do that for most of the lessons because it's easy to record them that way. But a good way to work with these apps is to test them on your real device. So you can see I have an iPhone here, right? Um, and you can do that at home. And actually, it's a great way to see if how your app really performs on an actual device, right? This works also with Android devices. So you can do the same with your Android phone. So I have my iPhone here. And what I'm going to do is you can see that I'm running Expo and that I have the QR code here in the lower corner of the browser, right? And also the QR code appears in the terminal. So when you open up the Expo app in the terminal, it'll give you a QR code there too. And you can use either one of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the camera on my phone, and the camera detects a QR code. So if I aim it at the QR code, right, like I'm just pointing it at the QR code here, like other side, right? Okay, right over there. And it'll say at the top here, it'll pop up with a little message that says, hey, do you want to open that in Expo? So I'll tap on that, and then it's going to load Expo here, and you'll see it loading at the bottom. And then you can see I've got my app loaded here, right? And if I open up the simulator here, you can see I've got the app on the desktop and I have the app on my phone. And if I update it, like let's say we go into Expo here or into VS Code, and I want to create some new text here, and I'm going to say small print, right? We'll put that here. Maybe I'll make this, I'll give it its own style. So I'll say styles, small. Actually, I'm going to make the small print larger. So let's do small as our style here, and then we'll say font size of 40 pixels and color of I don't know. Let's see. Let's do orange, right? So what would that be? It would be like something like that, right? What am I missing here? Oh, I'm missing the colon, right? There we go. There. So now I got small print is appearing at the bottom. It's also appearing on my phone here. Okay. So you can use, again, this should work for Android and should also work for iOS. Some of the issues that I've seen around this come up with your internet connection. So I'm using a Wi-Fi connection and I'm using the local network, right? And that seems to work for me. If you have a different Wi-Fi connection, like when we do this at the school, sometimes the Wi-Fi there is a little weird because of security issues, so it doesn't work. You can switch to tunnel. And when you switch to the tunnel, I'm not exactly sure what the difference is here, but it goes out through the internet somehow over the network, right? And it kind of bypasses some of the issues that you might have on the local network, okay? But you can switch to tunnel, so try that if the LAN isn't working. If you have a cable connected, you can also use the local connection. So if your phone is connected with a cable, I think you can use this local connection to connect, okay? So anyway, thanks for watching, and then I hope that this helps you get your React Native projects off the ground, okay? And then we'll continue in the next video with some more problems to solve.